That's not a knife. That's a knife. Welcome back, everybody. Faithful EDC here with you today. Today we have another knife from Kubey, or KB. We got the KB knives. This one is model number KB 290F. We have M390 blade steel, titanium handles. We got the black colorway. KB knives. Of course, standard KB packaging. You got your plastic bag and your microfiber cloth inside the box there. If you are interested in checking one of these out, I'll leave a link down in the description. But this one here, I have been interested in checking out for quite some time. The Kubey, or KB Atlas titanium. We have flipper tab for deployment. We have the blade hole for deployment. My goodness, this one is awesome, guys. Got the reverse Tonto sheep's foot blade. Got a little bit of a belly underneath there. You have your flipper tab and your blade hole for deployment. You got your extreme larger jimping there. We have a lanyard loop. You've got some weight reduction in the scales. This one is nice, guys. Frame lock. Got that milled titanium pocket clip as well, along with some weight reduction milled inside there. M390. Jelly Jerry design. I've had one of these, I believe, on the channel in the past in the budget version, or the G10, and I have one here to do a size comparison. These guys usually run right around $64 for the G10. This is rider left-hand tip-up carry. Again, flipper tab and blade hole for deployment. A lot lighter of jimping here. We got 14C on this one here. So let's put these guys up against each other. As you can tell, the titanium is much larger. Well, I wouldn't say much. Right around 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch longer than the G10 version. It just feels more substantial in the hand, for sure. I know titanium weighs a little bit more, but other than that, just the overall feel in comparison to the budget version, this titanium one is definitely more up my alley than the G10 version. Super smooth action, reverse flick and flipper tab for deployment is quite awesome on this. Of course, you have your black with your gold accent on the screws. We have T8 hardware. T8 here. We got T8 for the pivot, T8 for the lock bar insert, and more than likely the pocket clip is screwed in from the inside of the scales there. Very, very nice. Price point, White Mountain Knives has these available right now for $216. If you want to pick one up, I'll leave a link down in the description, and you can use my code to save yourself 10% off your purchase through White Mountain Knives. Price point on these through KB website, or Kubey Knives website, is $270. So definitely check out White Mountain Knives in order to pick one up at a little bit better price. Still a fairly expensive knife, over $200, but highly recommendable. This is super comfortable in the hand. If you like larger knives, this one is definitely a great knife here. Smooth action, reverse flick is just buttery smooth. KB Knives have done quite a few knives that I personally enjoy quite well, and this one definitely is one of them. Let's get you guys a size comparison here. We have our standard number 2 pencil, Sharpie for your size comparison, and of course the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 for a size comparison here. And there you guys go. You're about 3/16 of an inch longer than a Spyderco Paramilitary 2, and about 1/4 inch shy of the Sharpie when closed. Let's get the open size on this one here. Opened length, you are about 1.25 inches longer than a number 2 pencil, and right around 1/2 inch longer, 3/8 inch longer than a Paramilitary 2. Let's get you some actual measurements here with a trusty Milwaukee tape measure. closed length here, you're looking at 5 inches closed. You have a cutting edge of 3 7/16. Blade length is 3 3/4 of an inch. And overall, you're looking at 8 5/8 of an inch. Weight, let's start off in grams here. Weight on this one, 159.4 grams and 5.62 ounces. So 5.62 on the titanium and 4.15 on the G10. So a little over an ounce lighter for the G10 model. More budget friendly on the G10. Still a great knife, great design. I have been looking forward to checking one of these out for quite some time, like I've mentioned already, and finally get to check one out. Really, really nice knife, highly recommendable, and very comfortable in the hand. But let me know what you guys think of the Kubey Atlas in black titanium and M390 blade steel. Let me know if you guys like this or not, if you guys would rather prefer the budget version at a little bit smaller and lighter weight, or the titanium version with a little bit larger and heavier. I'm going to go with a titanium myself, but that's what I got for y'all today. Thank you so much for checking this video out. Hope you all enjoy, and as always, take care and God bless.